On behalf of people of AP, I thank Modi ji for the GST reforms. Again, గట్టిగా మీరు చెప్పాలి ఇది మా అందరికి న్యాయం జరిగిందని. I also congratulate him on his remarkable journey of 25 years tenure at the helm of public service as Chief Minister and Prime Minister. Modi ji is a unique leader serving the nation with utmost dedication. I don't have any doubt 21st century belongs to Modi ji. He is the right leader, right place, in right time. Country is very fortunate to have leader like Narendra Modi ji. We are very happy about it.